Good morning, brothers and sisters. So, I would like first to explain the reason for which I am making these videos. I decided to teach accounting in both French and English. This is the only way I think I can share my knowledge with my friends and especially with the members of Lisa Gibadoi initiative. Today, we are going to discuss about 2 points. The first, accounting assumption, and the second, qualitative characteristics of financial statement. Let's start with the first, accounting assumption. I would like to put in context first the word assumption. It means a supposition. During the preparation and presentation of financial statement, it is assumed. It is required to the organization to follow some accounting assumptions. The generally accepted accounting assumptions are going concern, consistency, and accrual. Going concern, as per this assumption, as per this concept, it is assumed that all organizations will continue to exist without end. Furthermore, it is assumed that the organization has neither the necessity nor the intention to liquidate their asset. It is because of these assumptions that entities are allowed to spread the cost of their asset over expected life of the asset. The next conception is consistency. According to this assumption, it is assumed that accounting during preparation and presentation of financial statement, accounting policies and principles are followed year after year. This is to assure the users that the differences in account of change in operation and not on the change of the policies. So once an organization identifies the relevant policies and reporting practice, they must follow that year after year. So they don't need to change them without explaining what makes that change, what fosters that change. The last one is accrual. According to this concept, it is assuming that all incomes and gain are accrued as they are earned or realized, and all losses and costs are accrued as they are incurred. So it is also means that the cash inflows and outflows are incidents. So while preparing and presenting the financial statement, if we follow this concept, this assumption, accrual, it is assumed that the organization needs to clearly disclose all obligations that have to incur in the future, and also they need to disclose clearly all resources that have indicate the cash that needs to be collected. Now let's move to the next step, which is the qualitative characteristics, because there are many of financial statement. We have the information or the details, the attributes of the details provided in financial statement have to follow or to respect some qualitative or characteristics in order to be useful. So first, it needs to be understandable or understandability. An essential quality of a financial statement, it is its ability to be easily understandable. Of course, the assumption made while preparing the financial statement, it is to help the decision, the economic decision making to have a clear, a reasonable understanding on the activities of the business organization and the economic outlook of the economy. So all the uses of financial statement are, we suppose that they have a reasonable knowledge in accounting. So they need to understand the financial statement of the organization. If there are some complex items, we need to explain them in the note that will be attached to the financial statement. The next is reliability. If we need the financial statement to be reliable, then it needs to be free from the material errors, and also it needs to respect accounting policies and principles. The next is relevance. So if a financial statement needs to be useful, it must be relevant to economic decision making needs of the readers or the users. This means that the consistency is followed to facilitate the comparison. The next and the last one is comparability. So the statement, financial statement, are useful if they are they have ability to we have ability to compare them with the organization that are in the same activities with our organization, or in the same with the same organization with the previous period. So it should be easy to make a comparison with others organization entities. So I hope you like this video. Don't forget to add, if you have any comment, put it, any idea, just put in comments, so we are gonna see and what can we improve for the next videos. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and to share it with your family, friends, and relatives. Thank you.